Paano po kung hanggang tropa lang po, paano ma-change yung feelings? Bro, kung tropa lang talaga yung tingin sa'yo ng babae, ang best course of action mo dito is just to move on. Napakasimpleng solusyon, pero napakahirap gawin. Kasi nga katulad ng nasa chart na ito, no? Kung tropa lang talaga yung tingin sa'yo ng babae, nasa 4 and below lang yung attraction level sa'yo ng babae. Kapag ganyan ang attraction level sa'yo ng babae, negats na yan, idolo. Hindi kayo pwede magkatuluyan yan. In other words, huwag ka nang umasa. Bakit ka mo? Because that is just how attraction works, bro. Kahit anong pagkikare ang bigay mo dyan sa babaeng yan, kahit anong klaseng pagmamahal, or pagsusuyo mo sa babaeng yan, wala na talaga mangyayari dyan, idolo. Sad to say. Kaya nga, ang best course of action mo dito, like what I've said earlier, is just to move on. Date other women. Love yourself. Build yourself up. Focus on your mission in life. At kalimutan mo na siya. And please lang, do not take the friendship route to her heart. Ang ibig kong sabihin ay,
sorry ha, friends lang talaga kaya kong may offer sa'yo eh. Ah, ganun ba? Oo, sige. Oo, okay, walang problema. O sige, friends na lang muna tayo. At least, diba, makakasama pa din kita.
bro, do not be that guy na pumapayag lang na makipag-friend sa mga babaeng gusto nila at yung intention nila ay jowain. Do not settle for anything less. Kasi as men, we should know what we want and we are out there to get it. Kung friends lang offer sa'yo na babae, edi sabihin mo na, alright, cool, pero I have to decline eh. Sorry kasi marami na akong friends. And I'm not willing to have you just as my platonic friend lang. But hey, if in case you change your mind, give me a call. Then after that, walk away and never look back. At isa pang maganda dito sa approach na to makikita mo talaga kung meron ba talagang pagtingin sa'yo yung babae o wala. Kasi kung meron pang attraction level sa'yo na natitira yung babae na at least a 5, kokontakin ka niyan in the future. Ngayon kung hindi naman siya kumontak in the future, then ibig sabihin nun, wala talaga siyang attraction level sa'yo na at least a 5. Nasa 4 and below lang yung attraction level mo sa kanya. And that is fine kasi we don't want to waste any of our time and energy sa babae na mababa lang masyado yung attraction level sa atin. And that's fine kasi, you know what, you get to focus on your mission in life at this point. And just focus on improving yourself every day. Ang good news dito, sigarilyo, is if you keep improving yourself every day, sooner or later ay makakahanap ka ulit ng babae. Babae na mas maganda pa sa kanya, mas sexy, mas malaki yung su. Guaranteed yan, idolo. Basta i-change mo muna yung mindset mo and tell yourself na you are freaking worth it. You are good enough. I-apply mo yung kung ayaw mo wag mo mentality. And believe it or not, yung kung ayaw mo wag mo mentality is very attractive sa mga babae. Believe you me. Hopefully nakatulong ako sa iyo and follow for more. Subscribe na rin kayo sa YT ko. Link in my bio.